Hello, this is a video explaining about something called Scratch Junior. And what you've got is you've got all these blocks that you can use to make a character move. And the one we're going to focus on today is where you change to a different background. So you can see it says a 2 there, so that's background 2. And we're going to try and do a quiz. So let's just show you. So a simple question, which animal comes first in the alphabet? With a certain background, and then if they click on frog it would say no and the character would hide, and then the game would that particular code for the frog would end. And if they say dog, you'd say tap, say yes, turn right, turn left, and it would change a background to a farm. So let's see if we can do that. So we're going to go to Scratch Junior, and we need 2 backgrounds. So we're going to have a river, and we're clicking on that one. Now we don't need the cat, so I'm just resting my finger on and taking that off, and see if you can remember what animals we wanted. I think it was a frog and a dog, so they rhyme. So let's see if we can find the dog. Where's the dog? There it is, and I think you'll find that's called a beagle. So there they are. So how would you put the question on? So you could put ABC here, and you could type it in. Which name comes first in the alphabet? And that's a really difficult word to spell, alphabet. And then we need a question mark at the end. So there we go. Now, can you see it doesn't actually fit on there? So we're going to have to just reduce the size. Let's try that. There we go. And I'll just move that up. I think I might be able to make it a little bit bigger. And then just move that up. There we go. Which name comes first in the alphabet? So if they click on dog, that's correct, isn't it? Whereas if they say frog, it's not correct. So let's click on the frog first of all. So we click on the frog, and then we'll say when the game starts, if the character is clicked on. So we don't actually need the green flag, we need that one. So when the character is clicked on, it's going to say something. So it's going to say, let's just find the talking. There it is. So if you click on the frog, you've got to say bad luck, full stop, and then the character's going to hide. So this is the hide. Now if you get stuck, if you rest your finger on it, it tells you, and then that finishes that character's activity. So let's click on the dog. So again, if you click on that one, we'll say well done, well done, full stop. And then it wanted to sort of celebrate by turning left and then right. Now I've got that wrong, so I need to, that's it. So turn left, turn right. Now those are to actually make it move, so I don't need that one. And then this time we're going to change to a different background. Now we haven't added the background, so can you see it doesn't appear there? So we're going to click on that one, choose background, and then it said farm. So we'll try and find a farm. So we need to scroll down. Where's the farm? There's the farm. It's the first one. And it says farm at the top. Now, can you see we get an extra particular thing appear here? Now, we've got the cat on here again, which we don't want. So we get rid of the cat. And then we've got to go back to the first background. So can you see background 2's got nothing on. Background 1 has got the characters. So we're going to actually say, right, when we click on the character, well done, turn left and turn right, and then we want it to go to number 2. So let's run it. Let's make it full screen. It's top left next to the house. So I'm going to click on which name comes first in the alphabet. So I'm going to click on frog. Bad luck, and then it disappears. Click on dog. Well done, and then it goes there. Now you should think, well, something's gone wrong. We need to debug it. So think about what's gone wrong, and well, I'm going back to the screen. So there's the dog there, but we haven't got a dog on this one, so we need to add a dog on that one. And therefore, the dog will be on the farm. Let's just run it just to check it, and then we can evaluate it. So we need to go back to the first background, then click on full screen. So click on the dog, and then it goes to the right place. Now you notice the frog hasn't appeared, and the reason that hasn't appeared is we've got to click on the green flag, and then the frog should appear again. So always click on the green flag at the top to start the quiz, and then we'll need to save it. So in school on your iPad you might want to just save it with your name. So my name's Mr. Smith, and I'm going to call that quiz 1. So hopefully I'll do another quiz next week. Thanks for watching. I've got to click on quiz 1 and then put the tick, and then when I go back to the home screen you can see it's there, quiz 1. And if you don't want it anymore, there's an X that comes up, but I do want it. And you can see all the other projects I've done to do with Scratch Junior. Thanks for watching.